Exciting. Hey guys, Joey here from AutoCraze at Silverwater, here to show you another build that we've done on a Raptor. Going to show you something a little bit exciting today, something new. As you can see here, this is the new Atlas Series Plus bar by Hamer 4x4 fitted to this Raptor. As you can see, exactly the same as the old bar with the triple loop protection, nice and refined, tucks in nice and neat. Just to run through the front end with you guys here, as you can see here, the new top of the range Evo spotlights from Steedy. Underneath here, so we got the Runva Winch 11XP, perfectly suited for the bar, for the car. Same as usual guys, sensor compatible, ADR compliant, obviously winch compatible as you can see here. And this bar also comes with a camera relocation kit, all synced up to your factory settings. For your extra underbody protection, we put the 3-piece Hamer underbody protection all the way through to the end of the vehicle. I know what you're wondering guys, what are all these little sticks and stuff behind me? I'll go through them with you. Here we have a GMF bonnet bracket with the GME radio, the 370 XRS 4-wheel drive pack fitted up here. Over here, something a little bit different, it's an RFI. So what's an RFI guys? Extended self-fire booster in the rural countries, synced up to your phone anywhere you go. All it does is elevates your signal in the country. Walking over this side guys, just to show you a little bit more about what we did to the car. Obviously adding all this weight to the front end of the vehicle, we had to upgrade the front springs. So what we did, we put the springs to cater for the bar and winch, retaining the factory Fox suspension that comes from Ford from factory. Here to my left guys, the big fat bars 5-inch Snorkel, all sealed. Wait till you hear this bad boy. Exciting. Wedge tail platform, another platform on the backbone system. Obviously we've done this here many times before. Australian made, Australian complied, here in Australia. Everything's done properly. High load rating. We put a Steedy light bar on the front of it with the light bar bracket. And just behind here guys, you can't see it. Have a quick zoom up. There's a nice wind deflector there. So what that means, minimizes the wind noise, keeps it nice and quiet. Taking you around the back guys, we got the U-Master hard lid. Not just aesthetics guys, you can load up to 250 kilos on top of this, all strapped up nice and safe, as long as you fit the factory fitted J-brace on the back of the tub so you don't have any problems from Ford. Because we did the front end guys, all nice and pretty, we had to do the back as well. As you can see here, Hamer Nova bar, nice and tidy, just adds to that nice tough look at the back. Last but not least guys, King Hurricanes 17x9, 30 offset, perfect offset for the Raptor, 1600 kilos load rating per wheel, which is GVM certified, and we wrapped them in these bad boys, the Yokohama GO16 XATs.